Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install paint.net on Windows 11. So that's me said, let's get started. Now to download paint.net, simply open your browser and search for paint.net. Let me tell you that paint.net is a freeware graphics editing tool. So if you are looking for a free photo editing tool for Windows 11 computer, then you can use paint.net to edit your photos. Now to download, simply click on get paint.net. Don't worry about the download link. I'll put the download link in the description box. Now to download, you can simply click on this download option. And here we have the download page. Here we have our system requirement and here we have our download option. Here you can see the version and the latest release date. There are two options to download paint.net. One is from Microsoft Store and another one is from .pdn. If you want to download it from Microsoft Store, it will cost you. And if you want to download paint.net for free, you can simply click on .pdn to download paint.net. So here we have the download page. Here simply click on free download now option and it will download paint.net installer file. Our download has been completed. Now just open this file. Here we have the application. Let me extract this application. I had extracted the installer file on my desktop. Let me open this installer file. Here simply click on continue. And here you can see it is downloading paint.net installer file. So here we have our installation wizard. From the drop down menu, let me select my language. And here we have two installation options. One is Express and another one is Custom. Let me select Custom. Then click on Next, and here you have to accept the license agreement. Then click on Next. Now if you want to create a desktop shortcut, then you can check this box, and if you want to get automatic update, then you can check this box. Then after that, simply click on Next. And this is the location where paint.net is going to install. If you want to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button, and from here you can select the location. But for now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on Next. And here simply click on Next. And here you can see it is installing paint.net on Windows 11 for free. Here you can see paint.net has been successfully installed. Now if you want to start paint.net, you can check this box. But for now, let me uncheck this box, then click on Finish. So here we have our launch icon. If you don't get this launch icon on desktop, you can simply search on the search option for paint.net. So here we have our paint.net application. Simply click on Open. So this is the interface of paint.net. Now you can use this tool to edit your images. So that's it. This is how you can download and install paint.net for free on Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.